how to earn $25 per hour with one click. That's what I'm going to be talking about in this video. So make sure you stay tuned. So if this is your first time here, my name is Andre. I talk about how to make money online affiliate marketing. And the way I'm going to show you in this is super simple. It's super easy, guys, because it's not going to take too much effort. And all you have to do is follow the instructions that I'm going to share with you in this video. So this could be something else that you're trying to accomplish right now that you can do on the side, right? Because sometimes people don't realize that these $25 per hour, they add up. $5 here, $20 there. You know, at the end of the week, you realize you look in your bank account, you'd be surprised sometimes for an entire week, you can make $300 to $600 just by doing this. So this is very simple. It doesn't take a lot of work. It's absolutely free. You do not need any money to sign up for this. That's the good thing. So people all over the world, this is going to be for you because it doesn't matter what country you're from, you can do this. So don't try to skip ahead and try to miss out all the important stuff and try to see what I'm going to be doing. So stay with this video because I'm going to reveal the secrets to you throughout the entire video. So this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? Let me know in the comments this is your first time watching my YouTube video, so that way I can either give you a shout out, I can shout you out in the comment section, or whatever it is. I just love positive vibes and positive energy. So as I said, how to earn $25 per hour with one click. So this is a Make Money Online video that you can get started right away. So this is the YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe to it, show me some love, check out my videos, and I'm sure there's going to be something here that's going to be good for you. Now, how you're going to be able to make $25 per hour. And people been doing this all over the world, right? People been doing this, and I'm going to give you a particular website which has absolutely not too many competition, because I know how it is. Sometimes you go on some different sites and the competition is so high that you cannot make the money that you want. So I make sure I went out and I found a low competition website. And the website that I'm talking about is People Per Hour. So People Per Hour is a website that they have so many different freelancers, just like you, just like me. They're looking for people that is willing to do the work, and there's large companies out there. So if you scroll through here, these are the businesses that they have conducted so far. Over 935,000 businesses conducted on this particular website. Freelancers, there's over 2 million freelancers. Now, some of you probably wondering like, all right, that's a lot of people. But if you realize, you know how many people out there that is looking for work to do? You know how many people that come on this particular website? So the good thing that this website is going to be providing the traffic because people already know about it. So they're going to come on here and they'll be looking for you. So that way you can earn that $25 per hour just by one click. So imagine getting one customer every single hour, just one. That's $25. So if you look down here so far, they have paid this in pounds. There's over $130 million. That's a lot of money. Like, these are some of the different companies that they work for. So they work for Forbes, CNBC, there's Business Insider, there's BBC. So if you come through here, this is something that you can get started with as today. Today, right away, you can get started. So don't wait. So in order for you to sign up, all you have to do is just come on here at the top, and you can click on the How It Works section, or you can click on where it says freelancer ? And for those who want to post projects, that let's say people come on here, they want to post projects for, to get people to reach out. So over here, this is how you're going to find expert. So there's writers over here. Like if I type in writers, you'll see there's a bunch of different writers. So you can, if you're good at writing, there's like $20, $20, $25, right? 25, there's 45, there's $60, there's 15, there's 40, there's 15. Now, let's say you want to create videos, right? You want to create video editing or video clip or marketing video or video script or whatever it is. So let's look at video automation. So video automation is huge. It's popular because most people or most companies, they don't want to be in front of the camera, so they would rather do these type of videos. So if you look at this guy right here, he's from the UK. This guy created a 30-second video, automated $80. Like this is not even gonna take this guy 5 minutes of work, right? Because he's probably been doing it a long time. And there's so many different gigs on here. But what I wanted to share with you that is going to be super easy and super fun, and it's not going to require you to do any editing skills, any writing skills, create videos. What I wanted to share with you is remove background. So if you click on the remove background, so have you ever seen some pictures, you want to remove the background from it? Now, this is how it works. So if you look right here, this person, I'm just going to click on it for a little bit and see if it's going to show. So this person removed the background from here. You can remove the wine picture. So I'm going to share with you a tool that you can use. So it's a tool that is absolutely free. And all you got to do is just download. You can download it. You can just go directly to the website, and it's super fast. It's super simple. So there it is. Remove the background for 20 images, right? 20 images, this person is charging $10. And I'm telling you right now, this don't take him 2 minutes to do this. It doesn't take him that long. So down here, you can look at other people's bio, and you can see exactly what they're doing. I can remove the background of 30 images for 15, 40 images for 20, 50 image for 25, remove 5 to 10 images, right? $5. So if you do that, like these, excellent result, excellent result. Now the tool that I'm going to share with you, not so many people know about it. So that's why you can capitalize on this, because here's the thing. There's information out there. People don't have the time to look for that type of stuff, right? So the tool that I'm going to share with you is a tool that is called Remove Image Background. It is 100% free, and I'm going to share with you how you could do this. So I'm going to get a picture. I'm just going to go to a particular website right now, and I'm just going to grab a picture. It could be any picture, all right? So I'm going to grab this picture right here. I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to upload it right here. So it's going to upload. This doesn't take a lot of work. See, it's already gone. So all the image is gone, right? Everything is gone. So this, it all depends on what your customer wants. If they want the glass, you can put the glass back here. These little things are probably what they want. They probably just want this. So when you're doing business with the customers, just find out, hey, tell me exactly what you're looking for. You need to just remove only the background of the picture. Do you want me to remove all that? And you can edit it. Like you can literally edit it if you want. So if you click on here, you can see, like if I click on this, you see a different color. Like if I click on there, a totally different color. Like I can put background on it, or I could just leave it, leave it plain, just like that. Like if I don't want to add all that crazy stuff to it, I could just do that. I could leave the nice background. I could put that on there if I want, right? I can go here, or I can click on there. So these are the things that you can do with this tool, and it is absolutely free. It is free. So you can earn $25 per hour just by doing this. So if you have people coming over here and consistently reaching out and say, hey, I want you to get the job done, you can get the job done, not a problem, right? So remove background, sign up for this. It is absolutely free. Background removal, as I said before, absolutely free. And you can make 10, there's 35, there's 25, like this guy is charging 25, there's 25. And you don't want to lowball yourself and start to put like $10. Like go with 25, like $25 an hour, right? Aim high, so that means it's gonna land on you, and you make $25 per hour. So there it is, simple, easy thing to do, and you can get started. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. And as I said before, right, I do this online business full time. I do this from home, right? I do multiple businesses, just so you know. Like, I don't have one stream of income. All right, one stream of income in this day and age in 2020. Watching this video, I'm telling you right now, you cannot have one stream of income. If you're looking for the time freedom, if you're looking to spend time with your family, do the things that you love, go on vacations when you want and whenever we want. Right now, we're going on another vacation soon, so you're probably going to see me create another video on vacation. So most of you have been following me for a long time. You know, I always go on trips, we go on vacation, and we take time out because that's the freedom that I get when I do online businesses. So if you're in a place right now and you're stuck and you don't know where to go, I'm inviting you. Step out today. Start right away. I'm going to invite you to a great company. Right? It's called Legendary Marketers. So you can check out the link down below if you want to see what I'm working with and you want to learn the skills, how you could do these things. You got to step up right now. Like, you cannot get what you want without no knowledge. Education is what you need. Invest into yourself so you can learn and you can do the things that you want with your family and your loved ones. So hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you check out my next video about the fastest way to make money on ClickBank for beginners. Hey, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.